The Galaxy S series of smartphones has been hailed as the greatest Android smartphone in recent years, yet, with the Note range decommissioned, the South Korean giant's Ultra smartphone gave the best of both worlds this year. The business seems to be pushing the edge in terms of hardware and software capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to establish a milestone in terms of both features and specs for Samsung's future non-foldable premium flagship, which will be unveiled at the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2024. The year 2023 provided us a taste of what generative AI may do for our lives, and with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is expected to offer further use cases for generative AI by integrating it into the smartphone. Samsung is likely to offer a few more use cases of the on-device generative AI technology. As for the leaks, Samsung is expected to offer features like an AI-backed wallpaper generator for easy customization, real-time voice translation, enhanced Bixby, and optimized smartphone performance. While these features may not sound that exciting at first because some of these are already available on devices like the Google Pixel 8, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung will democratize because these procedures take place on the device owing to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. They will be more private and secure than equivalent services backed by a cloud computer. The iPhone 15 Pro is now the most premium smartphone due to the usage of titanium, which is lighter and more durable than stainless steel. Samsung, on the other hand, is switching from aluminum to titanium, which should achieve the same premium rank as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, although appearing identical to its predecessor, seems to have stronger hardware and software, as well as new generative AI capabilities, which means the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the most costly non-foldable smartphone Samsung has ever released. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.